Hi, I've been running divorce support groups for over 17 years now, and I really understand the topic well. One of the things I know is that it is a leveled process, and not every group and every person is a one size fits all situation. There's all sorts of situations when it comes to divorce, whether you have a good relationship with your co parent, whether you're at a certain age and chapter of your life, whether you have certain financial stressors on you. So, one of the things I like people to identify is where they are in the divorce process so that I can hone in and give them the kind of support that they need. One thing that's for sure and across the board is that being with other people going through a divorce is so helpful. There is this feeling of isolation. Yes, we wish that our friends and family could help, but this is a journey that we have to do on our own. And part of that journey is getting to know yourself in a whole different way. Even if you wanted the divorce, it's going to be painful. There's going to be all the stages of grief that you go through over a period of time. But there's a process and there's a strategy and there's a coming out of this process. And the services that I offer are tailored to meet people where they are so that they can imagine the future. I have a series of videos that I'm showing right now just to give you some ideas about how I work with people. And you'll have some tips along the way to help you. And so listen on.